Guys, we found a very interesting thing in Chiang Mai. Guess what? Air Diamond Cafe. So it's a cafe in an airplane. Gosh, let's check it out. It's an A330. 2, 3. Right, let's go in. Welcome. Ooh, they have all the pilot Top Gun. Sawadee ka. Wow, check this out. Check this out, guys. You can sit literally everywhere, all the way to the back. I'm definitely gonna sit on this business class seat. Getting the cockpit, nice. Whoa! Check out the cockpit, man. Oh, this is vintage. I don't know, my pilot friends will tell me this is vintage. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your Captain Roy speaking. We are flying at 35,000 feet above sea level, and I'm with my co-pilot today, Captain Diana. Yeah, and you're definitely in safe hands because we don't know how to fly this at all. Check this out, guys. Ooh. Oh, no aircon. This aircon. No, next camera. Alright. 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.